So let's have a look at these. These are the recipes that were made in the dining room. And remember how we stuck them all and they're all mirror. So the journey of this painting today is that we're going to actually remove the paper, and the intention is that the ink stays behind. So let's start that process. I want to invite you in. I'll just show you a little bit. You get the idea. It's a little bit laborious and time consuming because you'll see, it just is. Okay, so we start here by spraying. I'll just start nice in the middle. And what we're doing is we're going to saturate. Oh, this water sprayer isn't so great, so let's just get another one. Let's see here. Okay, it's funny, this one is very old and well used, but it works wonderfully. All right, so isn't it interesting how the letters come through, and you can see they're coming through so you can actually read them. So the first step here is to soak these pages so that we can actually just remove the paper. And just for the sake of the video log, I'm just going to do a little bit here in this section, and then I won't bore you with doing the whole thing on the video, obviously. Okay. And then I really like these scrubby things. You get them at the kitchen store. You know, they're like pot scrubbers. They're abrasive enough to get the paper off, but not too abrasive, because it's this delicate in-between process because you need to leave the ink on the canvas. All right, so here we go. And you can see how if you look carefully, the paper starts coming away and the ink is left behind on the canvas. So we have butter and nutmeg, a quarter cup of lemon juice here, all these wonderful chipped pimento. Goodness, I don't even know what that is. Isn't that great? So I get to learn while I'm doing this painting. I'll have to look up pimento. I don't know why, it makes me think of Christmas. Right. And we're gonna do this for the whole thing. It's quite a lot of work and things tend to dry out. So, oh no, that's the one that doesn't work. So we want to spray it again. Really want to keep this paper wet, and you can see the difference here. So here's where it's just the ink on canvas, and then we have the paper here. Yeah. So it's going to be some time, and we just get to connect with this, with the energy of these beautiful recipes and that are going into this painting. So that's the reverse transfer, and I'll see you next time when we start deciding on colors. We've already decided the composition for this painting. It's vertical lines to represent time, because the inspiration for the painting is lifetime connections. And then we're gonna have to make some decisions about color, and I will share you when I see you then. All right, take care.